Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shweta Baga. Here I'm gonna show you how you can create this Hollywood inspired beachy soft wave. This is super easy, super quick and not going to take more than 5 minutes. So without wasting any further ado, let's get into the video. First I'm using Iconic CT31 curling iron and set the temperature on 210. Here I'm gonna make a high ponytail and start wrapping my first section. Wrap all in the same direction. Pull out your ponytail and run your finger through. Blend your all hair together with your fingers and set it like this. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like and subscribe to my video and comment below if you want more video like this.